Hello friends, how are you? I think you all are good. I am also good. Today I want to show you the Cash App account. Basically, you all are know about Cash App account, but I just talk about Cash App account and I just show you some options. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for new updates. So go to the accounts and I want to show you all things about Cash App. This is my Cash App account and this is an Android phone, but if you use Apple then it's better for Cash App. So now I give you some issues like Cash App dollar accept issue, send issue, withdraw issue, some many issues, but we want to use this account for our work purpose. So first of all, we go to the card section. You see here is pin card. If any customer want pin card, then we will active the pin card and give them the account. I have all type of account, not only pin card and normal account, also BTC account, and also some account that have some transaction history. You all can take this. Here is some history. It's so small history for active pin card, and I log in here some other phone, and we go to the main icon. Then we see our tag, its tag name, here is also another option, my QR code. I just hide it for safety. Now we go to the information that have in Cash App. Here edit profile, you can edit here your cash tag, name, etc. And you preview here how many days ago you joined the Cash App. Now we see the many other option like personal information, link bank, limits, so many other information. First we need to show the limits. This account limit is 4K. Send limit, receive, add money, withdraw. Here is different limits, but we also have high limited account like 10K, 6K, this account, and we also the BTC tag. Okay, BTC account. Now here is security purpose, I hide this. I need to talk because I have many other account like Cash App BTC enable account, hacking tag, etc. If you want, then you can take all kind of account from me. And now you go to the personal information. Here is personal information, your name, address, email address, phone number, etc. You can change your email or number from here. Also can change address, name. This is basically the Cash App account details. And lastly, I say that I have many kind of account, and I also take all kind of dollar, any Cash App any dollar or any bank dollar, etc. If you have anything, then you can sell it to me, and I can pay you BTC, USDT, or LTC, any coin. Thank you for watching my video. If you new, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.